how we can make some money by just commenting on Facebook. So first of all, you need to have your own mega link so that you can get access to the olsp system. And this is a bonus in olsp system with the Comment Dominator Pro. You can just access this product. So this is my first time here, and you will see this is the guidance on how you can make money. Click on the view link to view a post to comment on. Make your comment under the post and click on the comment link for the post and submit the comment you made for approval, and you will then receive a commission. I believe that is around 25 cents for a comment. And now let's check. We have 5 comments. This olsp system has just relaunched on the 9th of November, if I remember correctly. So it still have few comments here, and now we can go. We can start with this poll time view. Click on view first, and it will pop up a new Facebook website here, and we can just scroll down to see what it has. Now it's a poll, and we can choose one that fits our experience. It's a bit slow here on my side. However, I will reload it. Why it still doesn't show? What's wrong with it? Okay, now you can see the poll and you can click on which one that is your experience. I will cut out this part because the sound is not really satisfying. So I'm done with the comment and I will hit send. You need to wait for it to post, and then you see the time here, and just click on that one, and then you will get the link for your comment. So actually I already got it here, and you just need to copy this link, go back to olsp system, go to submit, and post the comment you posted below and hit submit to earn commission. So now you can just paste your comment link in here, then create. Then I will do the rest and I will keep you posted. Also, this is just one way to make money by just commenting on Facebook. There's another way, and I will post another video about it later. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel so that you can see it in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.